Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into the wonderful world of Gotu Kola and how this amazing herb can help improve blood circulation and support vein health. Now stick around to the end because I have something special for you when seeking high quality organic herbs. Now let's get started. Gotu Kola is renowned for its ability to enhance circulation and support vein health. Now, studies have shown that it can significantly improve symptoms of chronic venous insufficiency, such as swelling and pain, which makes this a fantastic herb to reach to for this type of condition. Now, researchers have found that Gotu Kola enhances microcirculation and reduces venous hypertension, making it a valuable natural remedy due to the leaves being rich and active in compounds such as triterpenoids, which are responsible for the herb's beneficial effects on circulation and vein health. Isn't that amazing? Now, these compounds help to strengthen the veins, reduce inflammation, and improve blood flow. In summary, Gotu Kola leaves are key compounds used in research. They're vasodilatory and vein supporting properties, making them an effective natural remedy for improving blood circulation and vein health. And here's how to use this herb. You'll hear the thunderstorm in the background right here in London. So sorry for the disturbance. I'll carry on. So here's how you can actually prepare it. Use 1 to 2 teaspoons, which is approximately 2 to 4 grams of Gotu Kola leaves. It's crucial to source organic Gotu Kola to ensure that you're getting the most effective and safe products, free from pesticides and chemicals. Now what you'll want to do is boil 1 cup of water. Add a handful of Gotu Kola leaves to the boiling water, turn off the heat and let the leaves steep for about 5 to 10 minutes. This allows the beneficial compounds to infuse in the water. Now after steeping, strain the tea into a cup and then there you have it. You just drink this tea, and with regular consumption, some people start to notice mild improvements in swelling and pain within the first 1 to 2 weeks. Now, more noticeable improvements typically occur after 4 to 6 weeks. For optimal results, it may take around 8 to 12 weeks for daily consumption. Now, while Gotu Kola tea can be very beneficial, consistency is key, so aim to drink 1 to 2 cups a day for the best results, and also keep a journal to track your symptoms and progress over time. Now, if you're pregnant, it's important that you consult your healthcare practitioner before starting any new herbal regimen. And one more important tip, always source high quality organic Gotu Kola leaves. This ensure that you avoid harmful pesticides and chemicals, maximizing the health benefits of your tea. And I always stress this because it's so important. People might try herbs and feel that they've given up too early if they're not using the high quality organic and getting all the real benefits from it. So make sure that you source high quality. Now, to make things easier for you, I've included a special link in the description below. Click that link to find high quality organic Gotu Kola leaves at 50% off and other herbs too. So thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe and share this video, and hit that notification bell for more health and well-being tips. See you in the next video.